Good afternoon, students. Welcome to online class. Please respond. Who has joined the class through message? Please respond. Who has joined the class through message? Yes, Akash, Shubhojit, good afternoon. How are you? All of you are fine? Saprabhu, welcome to the class. Okay. So you know that in the last day, previous day, we have done up to 35, but question number 34 is left as an homework. Okay. So now we will solve question number 34 of exercise number 7.2. Question number 34. It is left as an homework in the previous class. Today I am solve it. It is integration root over tan x. You do it in a copy also, okay? Root over tan x by sin x cos x dx. Now here in this integration we will multiply both denominator and numerator by sec square x. So root over tan x into sec square x by sin x cos x into sec square x dx. So it will be converted, the numerator will be remain unchanged, the denominator that will be sin x into cos x into sec square x, that means sin x cos x by cos x cos square x. You know that there is a reciprocal relation between sec and cos. So one cos will be cancelled out and there one cos will be left there. So sin x by cos x means tan x. So I am erasing the upper portion. So it will be integration root over tan x sec square x by tan x then dx. Now it will be converted into sec square x dx by root over tan x. Sec square x dx by root over tan x. So here we will put z square equals to tan x. That means 2z dz equals to sec square x dx. So instead of sec square x dx, we will put 2z dz, and instead of root tan x, it will be z. So z is cancelled out. It is 2 integration dz. That means 2z plus c. That means 2 root over tan x plus c. Okay, 2 root over tan x plus c. Have you got it? Have you got it? Guys, respond. Subhojit, Akash, Saprabhu. Okay. So you know that 35 is done in the previous class. So move on to question number 36. 36. Integration x plus 1 into x plus log x whole square by x dx. Here we will put z equals to x plus log x. So after doing the differential, it will be, after doing the differential, it will be dz equals to 1 plus 1 by x within the bracket, then dx. That means dz equals to x plus 1 by x dx. So instead of x plus 1 by x dx, we will put dz. That means it will be z square dz. Because x plus log x means z, so z square dz. That means after doing the integration, it will be z cube by 3 plus c. Now just put the value of z. So x plus log x whole cube by 3 plus c. That is question number 36. Have you got it? Guys, have you got it? Okay. So move on to question number 37. Okay, thank you all of you. You do it in your copy, okay? Do the class with pen and paper. Question number 37. Integration x cube sine of tan inverse x to the power 4 by 1 plus x to the power 8 dx. Here we will put z equals to tan inverse x to the power 4. That means after doing the differential, you get dz equals to, you know that the formula d dx of tan inverse x means 1 by 1 plus x square. That means here it will be 1 by 1 plus x to the power 8, because x to the power 4 whole square means x to the power 8. Now you have taken x to the power 4 as a x. That means you have to differentiate again x to the power 4. So that will give you 4x cube, then dx. Okay, have you got this portion? The formula of d dx of tan inverse x means 1 by 1 plus x square, but here it is tan inverse x to the power 4. So it will give you 1 by 1 plus x to the power 8, but you have taken x to the power 4 as a x. So you have to you have to differentiate also x to the power 4. So after doing the differentiation of x to the power 4, you will get 4x cube. So that means after doing the differential, you get finally dz equals to 4x cube by 1 plus x to the power 8 dx. That means 1 by 4 dz equals to x cube dx by 1 plus x to the power 8. So instead of x cube dx by 1 plus x to the power 8, we will put 1 by 4 dz. Also here instead of tan inverse x to the power 4, it will be z. So 1 by 4 integration sin z dz. Okay. So after doing the integration, you get minus 1 by 4 cos z plus c. That means minus 1 by 4 cos of, put the value of z, tan inverse x to the power 4 plus c. Have you got it? Have you got it? Have you got it? Akash, Saprabho, Subhajit, do it in your copy first. This is our question number 37. Now, last two are the MCQs, 38 and 39. I am doing in the board question number 38 and 39. You tell me the answer. That means whether it is A or B or C or D. Okay? Tell me the answer. Guess the answer. 38. Integration in the numerator 10 x to the power 9 plus 10 to the power x log 10 base c. by x to the power 10 plus 10 to the power x dx. Here we will put z equals to x to the power 10 plus 10 to the power x. That means after doing the differential, it will be dz equals to 10 x to the power 9 plus 10 to the power x log 10 base c then dx. That means the integral will be converted into dz by z. That means log of mod z plus c. Type the answer. Akash, Subhajit, Saprabho, type the answer. A, B, C or D? So log of x to the power 10 plus 10 to the power x plus c, that is option D. Yes, you are correct. Yes, Akash, Saprabho, Subhajit, thank you all of you. The answer will be D. All of you are correct. Very good. So move on to the last problem of this exercise. 39 also. Do it in your copy and tell me the answer through message, or you may say me. (39) It is integration dx by sin square x cos square x. Now here instead of the numerator, here in the numerator there is nothing actually, that means 1. So instead of 1 we may write here sin square x plus cos square x. You all know that. So sin square x plus cos square x by sin square x into cos square x dx. Okay, now just do the separation. Integration sin square x by sin square x into cos square x dx plus integration cos square x by sin square x cos square x dx. So sin square x cancel out in the first integral, cos square x cancel out in the second integral. So it will be integration sec square x dx plus, tell me the answer, plus cosec square x dx. Guess the answer. I am asking all of you. So it will be tan x minus cot x plus c. That is option number B. Yes, all of you are correct. All of you are correct. Option B. Very good. So that's our problem number 39. That means this exercise is completed. We will move on to the next exercise. That means exercise number 7.3. In 7.3, for solving the problems of 7.3, we need the trigonometric identities. Okay, we need trigonometric formulas. So now we will move on to the 7.3. Is it done? Is it done? 39 is completed. Can I move on to the next exercise? Okay. So exercise number 7.3. The first one, integration sin square 2x plus 3 dx. Sin square 2x plus, sorry, it is tan square 2x plus 5. Sin square 2x plus 5 dx. Here we will put first of all z equals to 2x plus 5. That means after doing the differential, it will be dz equals to 2 dx. That means half dz equals to dx. That means 1 by 2 sine square z dz. Okay. Now what to do next? We will take 1 by 2 again a 1 by 2 outside the integration. That means it will make it 1 by 4. 1 by 4 integration 2 sine square z dz. I am telling you at the beginning of this exercise, that means 7.3, that all the trigonometric identities will be required for this exercise. So you know that 2 sine square x equals to 1 minus cos 2x. Okay, we will use this identity. 2 sine square x equals to 1 minus cos 2x. Okay. So here it will be 1 by 4 integration within the bracket 1 minus cos 2z dz. Now just do the separation. 1 by 4 integration dz minus 1 by 4 integration cos 2z dz. Okay. I am rubbing the upper portion. That means after doing the integration, it will be 1 by 4 z minus 1 by 4 sine 2z by 2 plus c. That means 1 by 4. Now put the value of z. I am taking at the beginning z equals to 2x plus 5. So 1 by 4 into 2x plus 5 minus 1 by 8 sine of 4x plus 10, because here it is sine 2z. So 2 will be multiplied with the z. Z means 2x plus 5. Whenever it multiplied with 2, it will be 4x plus 10. So 1 by 4 2x plus 5 minus 1 by 8 sine of 4x plus 10 plus c. Is it all right? Response me through message. Is it all right? Response me through message. Okay. So, question number 2. Move on to question number 2. Move on to question number 2. It is integration sine 3x cos 4x. Integration sine 3x cos 4x dx. Here I am taking at the beginning of the problem half outside the integration sign, then it will be half integration 2 sine 3x cos 4x dx. Now what is the formula of 2 sine a cos b? You know the formula. 2 sine a cos b means sine a plus b plus sine a minus b. That is the formula. Sine a plus b plus sine a minus b. You know the formula? Students, you know the formula to sine a cos b? You know it? Okay. So it will be half integration sine a plus b, that means 3x plus 4x, plus sine a minus b, that means 3x minus 4x dx. So 1 by 2 integration sine 7x plus sine of minus x dx. you know that minus will be coming out from the sign. Sign of minus x means minus sin x. So, half integration sin 7x minus sin x dx. Okay. So, just do the integration now and you will get the result, final result. So, half integration, okay, here we will do the integration. So, half within the bracket minus cos 7x by 7 and then plus cos x plus c, because integration of sin x means minus cos x. So, half within the bracket minus cos 7x by 7 plus cos x plus c. Is it all right? Student, it is all right? Is it all right? Okay. So, move on to the question number 3. I am rubbing the board. Question number 3. So, question number 3, integration cos 2x, cos 4x, cos 6x, cos 2x, cos 4x, cos 6x dx. Question number 3, integration cos 2x, cos 4x, cos 6x dx. First of all, take half 1 by 2, then it will be 2 cos 2x cos 4x within the bracket, and cos 6x will be outside, lies outside the bracket. So, half integration 2 cos a cos b means cos a plus b, that means 6x plus cos a minus b, that means cos 2x. You know that in cos of minus x means cos x. You know that cos of minus x means cos x. You know that. So, the formula is cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. Into cos 6x dx. Now, separate them into integrals. Half integration cos square 6x plus half integration cos 6x cos 2x. Again take another half, so it will be 1 by 4 integration 2 cos square 6x dx plus taken again 1 half 1 by 4 2 cos integration 6x plus cos 2x dx. Okay, have you got it? I am rubbing the upper portion. So, for the first integral, it will be, the formula is 2 cos square x means 1 plus cos 2x. So, 1 plus cos 12x for the first one, and for the second one it will be again 2 cos a cos b. So, cos a plus b means cos 8x plus cos a minus b means cos 4x. Cos a plus b means cos of 6x plus 2x, that means 8x, and a minus b means 6x minus 2x, that is 4x. Now do the integration. I am wrapping this portion, lower portion. So 1 by 4 within the bracket, integration dx means x, then plus sine 12x by 12, then plus 1 by 4 within the bracket, sine 8x by 8 plus sine 4x by 4, bracket will be closed, plus c. That is the answer. That is the answer. You may take 1 by 4 from the whole and also write the answer. You may take 1 by 4 from the both of them and then also you write the answer. Have you got it? Question number 3. Have you got it? Question number 3. Students, have you got it? Question number 3. Have you got it? Question number 3. Have you got it? Hello? Can you hear me? So thank you all of you. We'll be back again here in the next class. Till then, goodbye.